explosion. The force of the explosion even blew out the windows of the school. The principal was furious. He wanted to expel all the bad students who were just messing around. The students realized the seriousness of the situation, but then Anna explained to the principal, "It's not the students. It's my experiment that caused the explosion." The students looked up in disbelief. They couldn't understand why Anna had to take the blame for herself. After Anna's pleas, the principal finally decided to keep them, but there was one prerequisite. They had to pass the final exam in 4 months. Anna agreed. She believed in them. The students entered the classroom in silence. When they were all seated, Anna drew 2 lines on the blackboard with chalk. The chalk rubbed against the board with a sharp, ear-splitting sound. The students covered their ears. Anna said to the children, "What they've been doing is just like that sound. They've been hurting other people's ears." Anna wanted these kids to change. Just like this chalk, just take a little piece off. It won't make that awful sound anymore. If they change themselves, they'll fit in. Anna gave them a choice.
कल ठीक 9 बजे मैं तुम सबको यहाँ मिलूंगी। अगर तुम सब नहीं आए तो 9-10 को मेरा इस्तीफा प्रिंसिपल सर के